Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a new batch. So there were a lot of demand from a college student that we need a batches, especially in Hindi. So we need a batches where you are going to talk about a programming language called as C++ because in a college, obviously it's a need. It's a need for all of us as a student. And obviously in most of the college syllabus, this will be a part of your semester. Now, keeping that in a mind, so we have this C++ A to Z batch. We are going to conduct this particular batch in a Hindi language, as you can see, and the entire batch is going to be in a live mode. Your batch is going to start from 8th January 2025, and class is going to happen on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 3 days a week this class we are going to take, and class timing is going to be 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST, as you can see. So yes, C++ is required for college students. Keeping that in a mind, so we have prepared this entire syllabus where you all will be able to learn C++, that too in a practical way, in a programmatical way. So yes, syllabus you can go guys over here and check out. So whether it's a basic concept, whether it's an advanced concept, we are covering each and everything inside the C++. And the amazing thing is, right? Amazing thing is, so as we all are living in a world of AI, right? So technology is not same, right? If you're going to compare this technology stack that we are using nowadays and a technology that we were using maybe 2 or 3 years back, so everyone is talking about AI, everyone is obsessed with AI. Now, keeping that in a mind, so here we are trying to talk about a project, a real world project with a generative AI integration. So even if you are going to study C++, that's completely fine. But how you are going to leverage AI with C++, this is something that we all are going to talk about inside your batches. Your mentor Prince is going to talk about all of these things, so that you're not just you will end up learning some C++ basic concept, because there are so many videos, so many playlists which is already available over internet, so where you can go and you can try to learn C++, all the programming language. But what is missing? So the missing part is integration of this C++ or use of C++ in a real life, and this is what we are trying to bring inside this particular batches. Then optimization and deployment, and then after that, so career preparation, so how you will be able to prepare for our next step, because this is very much important for any college student, right? So how you are going to do a problem solving, how you are going to do like a resume, or maybe how you should prepare for an interview, each and everything we are going to discuss at the end of this particular batch. So like I said, your mentor is going to be Prince, and batch price is minimal. All of these things we are going to discuss in a live mode. So Prince is going to discuss about each and everything in a live mode. And if you have Euron Plus subscription, then you are not supposed to go and purchase any of these batches again and again and again, because we will keep on launching so many different kind of a batches, not just one. In almost every technology stack, all the major tech stack will try to bring all of these batches. So one student, one subscription. With this, you all will be able to access all the self-placed one, all the live courses, all the books, all the projects. So whatever we are going to bring, or whatever we already have in a paid mode, you all will be able to access. And as of now, we are running a new year offer where you can get 10% of discount on this particular subscription. And if you are looking for this entire batch list, so what we have in a paid mode, and as a live classes, or maybe as a self-paced courses, so you can go and check out your own courses over here. So here is a link, and you all will be able to find out date, timing, and a link, Hindi, English, whatever language in which we are going to discuss, whether it's a live or a self-placed, in this particular Excel sheet. So we have already attached over here. So inside Euron course tab. So please go and check out. Feel free to join all of these batches with Euron Plus. You will be able to access everything, whatever is mentioned inside this particular sheet, everything and anything you all will be able to access, plus whatever we are going to bring. So with this particular subscription, you all will be able to access everything. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Hope all of you are going to like it. Hope all of you are going to show some love. And let's meet inside a class with that. Thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next video.